I bought and tested these beginner drum sets so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Drumming can be a fantastic way to express yourself, but choosing the right drum set can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. I'm here to share my experiences with the top 5 beginner drum sets I found on the market. Let's dive in and find the right fit for you. Product number 1, ROCK-SOCKI Electric Drum Set. When I first unboxed the ROCK-SOCKI electric drum set, I was immediately impressed by its lightweight design. Weighing in at just 1.69 pounds, this roll-up drum pad is incredibly portable, making it perfect for kids aged 5 to 9. It comes with all the essential components: drumsticks, a power cable, audio cable, and even headphones. The first thing I noticed was how easy it is to set up. Just roll it out, plug it in, and you're ready to rock. As I started playing, the dual stereo speakers delivered surprisingly rich sound quality for such a compact device. The adjustable volume levels allowed for a comfortable playing experience, whether I was practicing quietly at home or jamming out loud in the living room. I appreciated the inclusion of a headphone jack, perfect for nighttime practice without disturbing anyone. The built-in battery lasts up to 10 hours, which is a game changer for outdoor events or music lessons on the go. One of the standout features of this drum set is its MIDI connection capability. As a budding musician, I loved the idea of connecting it to my computer to create my own tracks or play interactive drumming games. It's a fantastic way to keep drumming fun and engaging. However, no product is without its drawbacks. The pads, while responsive, may not replicate the exact feel of acoustic drums, which might be a concern for some purists. Additionally, while the sound is impressive for its size, it might lack the depth that some more experienced players could desire. So why should you buy the ROCK-SOCKI electric drum set? It's an ideal starter kit for young drummers looking to explore their musical talents without the hefty price tag. The set encourages creativity, is easy to transport, and offers a variety of sounds to keep practice sessions fresh and exciting. If you're looking for a fun introduction to drumming for your child, this set is a fantastic choice. Product number 2, S-Boat Electronic Drum Set. Next up is the S-Boat Electronic Drum Set, another roll-up pad that caught my attention. Priced at $39.99, it's one of the more affordable options out there, making it an attractive choice for parents wanting to introduce their kids to drumming. Upon unpacking, I noticed it also comes with a headphone jack and built-in speakers, which is a must-have for anyone wanting to practice without disturbing the household. The S-Boat set features 9 pads that include a variety of toms, cymbals, and a bass drum, giving you everything you need to replicate a full drum kit experience. The sound quality impressed me, especially considering its price point. With 7 different timbres, 10 demo songs, and 9 rhythms, there's plenty of material for beginners to explore. Plugging in my headphones allowed for an immersive experience, letting me focus on my rhythm and technique without interruptions. The portability of the S-Boat set cannot be overstated. It's lightweight, and with a built-in rechargeable battery, it lasts for about 10 hours on a single charge. This makes it ideal for travel, whether you're heading to a friend's house or on a family vacation. I set it up in my living room, but it easily rolled up and fit in my backpack when I wanted to take it outside. One downside I noticed was that the pads could sometimes feel a bit too sensitive, leading to unwanted double hits. Additionally, while the sound was generally good, it didn't have the same depth that more expensive models provide. So why should you consider the S-Boat electronic drum set? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance, this drum set is perfect for kids and beginners. It brings a lot of fun and educational value without breaking the bank, making it an excellent gift for young aspiring drummers. Product number 3, AODSK Electric Drum Set. The AODSK Electric Drum Set is a more comprehensive option catering to both kids and adults. Priced at $169.99, it comes with everything you'd expect from a full drum kit, including 4 pads, 3 cymbals, a drum throne, and drumsticks. Setting it up took no time at all, and the sturdy metal frame gives it a solid feel compared to its lighter counterparts. With 150 high-quality sounds and 15 different drum kits, AODSK offers an extensive range of options for drummers of all skill levels. I found myself enjoying the demo songs that cover various genres, which helped keep my practice sessions dynamic and engaging. The built-in metronome is a great feature for maintaining rhythm, especially for beginners. The lightweight design makes it surprisingly portable, and the foldable frame allows for easy storage. I easily transported it to a friend's house for an impromptu jam session, where we had a blast experimenting with different sounds. The AUX input and USB MIDI output were particularly useful, allowing me to connect the set to my computer for recording or play along with my favorite tracks. While the AODSK offers a terrific experience, it does come with a few downsides. The pads are a bit smaller than traditional drum sizes, which may take some getting used to. Additionally, while the sound is excellent, I wished it had a bit more feel of an acoustic setup. So why should you buy the AODSK electric drum set? It's an excellent all-in-one solution for anyone looking to dive deeper into drumming, whether you're a child or an adult beginner. With its comprehensive features and quality sounds, it's a great investment that can evolve with your skills. Product number 4, HAMPBACK MK0 Electric Drum Set. Moving on, we have the HAMPBACK MK0 Electric Drum Set, which retails for $169.99. This set is specifically designed for beginners, featuring 4 high-density mesh pads and 3 rubber cymbals. The first thing I noticed was how realistic the mesh pads felt when I started drumming. It's lightweight and easy to transport, making it perfect for practice at home or for outdoor gigs with friends. I easily folded it up and stored it under my bed when not in use. The sound module features 68 sounds and 12 kits, providing plenty of variety for any drummer. The built-in songs offer great practice opportunities, and the metronome is a fantastic tool for beginners to improve their timing. One of the standout features of the MK0 is its power bank compatibility. This means you can take it anywhere without worrying about finding a power outlet, which is a huge plus for mobile drummers. Pair that with the AUX input for connecting to external speakers or devices, and you've got a versatile setup. However, I did find the drum throne a bit less comfortable than I would have liked for extended practice sessions. Additionally, while the sounds are impressive, more experienced drummers may find the lack of advanced features limiting. So why should you consider the HAMPBACK MK0 Electric Drum Set? It's perfect for beginners who want a realistic drumming experience without the hassle of traditional setups. With its portability and wide range of sounds, it's an excellent choice for anyone serious about learning to drum. Product number 5, Grow Daily Electric Kids Drum Set. Last but not least, we have the Grow Daily Electric Kids Drum Set priced at $79.99. Right out of the box, I was captivated by its fun and colorful design, featuring light-up drumsticks that make playing even more exciting for kids. The set is made from durable silicone and is easy to roll up for storage, making it a convenient option for parents. The layout includes 9 pads with various toms and cymbals, providing a solid practice platform for young drummers. I noticed that the built-in speakers produced decent sound quality, and the headphone jack is a lifesaver for late-night practice sessions. The kit also includes 10 demo songs and several rhythms, which I found helpful in teaching kids about different musical styles. One of the unique features is the ability to connect the drum set to a computer, which opens up a world of possibilities for interactive drumming games and music production. This is a great way to keep kids engaged and excited about learning. On the downside, the sound might not be as rich as other models, and the silicone pads, while durable, may not provide the same feel as traditional drum pads. Additionally, the light-up features may not be necessary for all users, which could be seen as a gimmick by some. So why should you buy the Grow Daily Electric Kids Drum Set? It's an excellent choice for kids looking to explore music in a fun and engaging way. The combination of portability, interactive features, and affordability makes it a fantastic option for parents wanting to encourage their child's musical interests. In conclusion, each of these beginner drum sets offers unique features tailored to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for portability, sound quality, or interactive features, there's something for everyone. I hope this deep dive helps you find the perfect drum set to kickstart your drumming journey. Happy drumming!